Welcome to our channel. This week we are reviewing this Nutribullet Pro 900. This series rivals traditional juicing and blending methods by breaking down stems, seeds, and skins at an incredible speed. The extractor blades and cyclonic action generate the power to extract even more goodness from your ingredients and contribute to a smoother drinking experience. It comes with 2 cups, 1 lid, 1 blade, 1 handle, and lead along with the heavy motor. Simply load the tall cup, place on the high torque power base, then twist and lock into place. Now you're ready to go. Bursts open seeds, cracks through stems, and shreds tough skins to help you consume the normally unused nutrients. The Nutribullet Pro extractor blade turns at an incredible 25,000 rotation per minute to completely break down ingredients into delicious pulp-free Nutriblast smoothie. A quick rinse and you're good to go again. No fiddly parts to clean. If you're planning to get one of these, I have the link in the description below. That's all for today, and see you next time with another exciting video. Thank you.